What up, Juice World? This is Nomadic Juicer. I am here today to talk to you guys about the mental benefits that I have experienced during my juice fast journey. The past couple videos I've talked about the physical benefits as well as the emotional benefits, and today we're going to address the mental benefits of a juice fast, and then I will address the spiritual benefits here in the next video. So to get things started, this is one area that I really enjoy. The growth that I've seen in regards to my juice fast. I kind of look at the human body as a physical realm, which all of us are very well aware of. And then you kind of have this emotional realm that I feel like a lot of people have struggles kind of getting out of that realm because they get so caught up in their emotions. They let their emotions kind of dictate them. You kind of become, I hate to say it, but like a slave to your emotions, which it's not really necessary. It's a good thing and a bad thing. I think you can let your emotions, drive you, but sometimes, coming in with that, allowing the mind to be able to kind of oversee and, take control of things sometimes, I think is a necessary thing. And so I look at the body as those three kind of levels. And so you kind of get to this mental space. The list isn't going to be as long as my previous two videos. But the first thing that I've noticed is just a boost in cognition. A lot of the work that I'm doing is very high level. A lot of it's abstract. So being able to analyze things and being able to look at, certain aspects, if it's not via juicing, biochemistry and physics and understanding that component, or on my other side of the business is kind of working in finance, dealing with just like some of these high level concepts. I really have felt that things are just being processed in a more efficient manner, in a more optimal manner, and things are just kind of starting to click with me. Since being on this juice fast. The next thing is that I'm just a lot more focused on my work as well. I'm able to have my tasks for the day, kind of drill down on those tasks and get things done without a whole lot of distraction. And I know, each and every day what it is that I'm working on. And I think those things have really helped me stay even aligned with, on the juice fast. It's like a lot of people ask me, well, how am I doing so long? It's like I'm just really focused on what it is that I want to accomplish, and there's really no emotional component that is causing me to get stirred up and causing me to move and kind of get off track. A lot of people that I've kind of worked with, some people just kind of get too emotional. They get too much in their head and they fall off. And it's like, all right, if you could just learn to just kind of keep the reins in control, kind of control your horse. You're almost like you're a jockey. You got to control your horse in this race. And so the next thing that kind of leads me to my next point is that, just the self-control, the amount of self-control that I've developed and that has, come out of this juice fast it's unspeakable. Things are just really, I just really have a more firm control of things that I say I want to do. I'm going to do it. I don't let old things and I don't let old feelings, I don't let old emotions bog me down like I used to. Like I said, I've been juicing for 3 years, and I've tried to do extended juice fast in the past. And a lot of times you get caught up. You get caught up in those emotions. You get caught up in those cravings. You get caught up in the feelings of something, and then you just kind of fall off. And then you fall off hard. But like I said, that hasn't happened so far. And so, as well as that, it's really strengthened my discipline. Coming into this, I was a very disciplined person just because of my background playing sports. So that really has never been an issue for me, but I've seen my discipline just get stronger and stronger with each and every day. Also, as well as just like your sense of awareness, you become more in tune with what's going on. You become, this kind of gets into the whole spiritual side a little bit about things as well, but you really just start to kind of become in the present moment, because I think that's really the biggest thing that I would tell most people who want to do a long juice fast is you just got to be in the moment and worry about each and every day, and only worry about that day. Like, don't get so caught up in like, oh, what am I going to juice tomorrow, or what am I going to juice the next 3 days? Like, just worry about today. Like, today has got enough of its own issues and enough of its own, troubles. Just worry about today. And that this juice fast has really just kind of like made you slow down, made you really just be present, and made you really just, be aware of what it is you're accomplishing. And so with that, kind of leads me into like the last 2 points, is that just my creativity in general has really just kind of skyrocketed. I feel like I'm able to take all this information in, we talked about the cognition aspect of this, and to be able to just kind of process information and really just kind of spit out, you know, how I see things and how I see, you know, certain aspects of detoxifying or trying to regenerate the body through the herbs, or, you know, that's something I'm working on as well. So I just feel like my creativity has been really heightened, and then just some mental clarity. Like I said, things have really just been like clicking for me. I'm understanding a lot of things that my mentor, you know, people like Dr. Morris and Dr. Sabi, I can really just, things what they're saying, and like Professor Arnold Air, things are just like, they make sense, you know what I mean? Like I'm hearing it, I'm processing it, I can put it into it like it's a little component of where it needs to go, and it's like just the clarity of things has just been so tremendous. And then, you know, there's definitely different fruits and different vegetables that you can drink that really boost and kind of, you know, aid in the brain development and cognition, and there's herbs as well. And so that's why I really enjoyed, you know, kind of this juice fast and adding the herbs to it with as well. So with that, you know, those are some of the benefits that I've personally have experienced, you know, from the mental side of things. I would love to hear, you know, what have you experienced on your juice fast journey? It could be in any of the levels so far that we talked about, the physical, the emotional, the mental. Like I said, I'll make the spiritual video here shortly, but with that, I'm gonna leave you guys to that. You know, you guys know I'm always available if you need anything from me. Book's almost done. It should be here in about a week or so. And with that, I will catch you guys on the flip side. Take it easy.